Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi Tutorials. Today I have a table in Excel where I want to calculate the fees paid till date. Okay, so today date is 17th November. So till today how much I have paid I want to calculate. Okay, so total amount is this. Okay, you see this is the total amount. So paid till now. Okay, so today's date is 17th November. So before that, what are the values, guys? These are the values before 17th November. So I want to calculate the sum of this. Okay, so I should get 4,50,980 rupees. Okay, so I want to do this with Excel VBA. I want to write a function. Okay, so I have written a function. Let's see that. So here I am defining a function paid till date, and it will take a argument range. Okay, that name is sum range. Okay, and the total sum I am defining as a long variable and defining SR as a range, and I am setting SR as a sum range, whatever input is there, right? So that sum range I am setting to this SR range variable. Then I will take each row cell in that sum range, okay, and I will calculate the date. I will compare the date. I will get the date value, date cell. How I will get the date cell? Right now we are here, right? Range I am taking, okay. So total range I am taking here sum as range, right? Okay. So I want to get the column of row and column of this cell, okay, and row will be the same row of sum range, right? So row will be the same row of sum range, okay, and but column will be 2 less than sum range. We have to subtract this column and this column, okay. Then we will get, we have to subtract this column and this column, then we will get this column, okay. So we have to subtract the 2 from the column, okay. Row will be the same row, and column will be subtracted by 2. And if this value, this is the date value, right? If this value is less than now, means is less than today, then I am adding that value to the total sum, okay. So total sum I defined is a long variable. Initially it is 0, so I am adding, if date is less than today, then that value of this amount, fees amount, I'm adding, and I'm calculating the total sum. I will iterate to each cell like this. So I am taking this range, right? So each cell I will iterate like this, and I will calculate. If date is less than now, then I will sum up to the total sum. Okay, guys. Then I will assign this output variable paid till date to the total sum. Okay, this is a function. Okay, so I applied the function here. Okay, so this is my input range. Each value it will take, and it will compare with this date. How I am getting this date? Row will be the same row and column will be 2 less than this column, and get the value and compare with less than now. If it is true, then I am adding, summing up all these values wherever date is less than now. Now means today. Okay, so I will get this value. Okay, guys. 4,50,980. So this is till date means November 17th, less than means till here 10th September. So value is here 4,50,980. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhigami Tutorials for more such amazing VBA videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.